Water Authority is doing an expansion project at the water plant, and in conjunction with that, we also were doing some improvements at the reservoir for the raw water pump station. One thing that we really pushed for was to get a backup generator there so we can keep the plant in service and treating water, because when power goes out, then the pumps are not going to go. We have no water going to the treatment plant.
When we initially received requests for this project, the sizing hadn't quite been done. So what we did, and what Nixon always does with a project, is we take it and we run it through the Power Solutions Center, which helps us size the exact equipment that we need. So we took the parameters based on this, running pumps, which are very specific on voltage, very specific on frequency, and this is the product that came up, was the KD1500, showing that it was perfect for this job. With the KD series engine, we can fit a lot more generator into a smaller package. Because this was designed kind of from scratch to be a generator-specific engine, not a tractor engine, not anything else, that was modified, an actual generator-driven engine. The fuel efficiency is better, picking up loads is better, it makes parts availability a lot better. Also, if they need to make changes to the engine to make it more efficient, it allows Kohler to do that without having to go through another manufacturer and asking them to do it.
For the size, it's a very quiet generator. And in this application, where you're on the edge of a body of water and sound's going to carry, sound attenuation is important. Not want to disturb any neighboring properties.
It's an easy install. Some manufacturers don't leave you a lot of room to work. When you get these larger generators, you get big wire. Sometimes it handles you versus you handling it. It just can be hard to manipulate, and some manufacturers it's just too tight. Kohler seems to have thought that out and gives us plenty of room to make determinations. It makes an easier job, and of course, which makes it a better job because we can do it neater and nicer.
The generator, I'm tickled with it so far. It's a name brand, it's nationally known. I'm really impressed with the design, how compact it is. The controls seem really intuitive, very easy to operate. We had our on-site training and they walked us through from the very beginning all the way through the automatic transfer switch, and everything seemed very user-friendly. The diagnostic screens probably give us more information than we'll ever need, but it's all right there, readily available at your fingertips.
We always look for gracious experience, like we give gracious experience to the customers and make sure like they are satisfied. I have worked with other companies in the past, but amount of work Kohler takes in satisfying the customer is second to none.